Our logo is a stylization of the character Hui, taking the traditional Chinese theme of clouds and mountains and presenting it in a fresh and more universally accessible way. We see learning Chinese as like hiking up a mountain. You conquer what might look like an impossible goal by taking one simple step at a time. And we leverage the power of the cloud to enable you to do that. We do all of this by putting learning into the hands of the student rather than the teacher, and mapping out the journey to their ultimate goal, like an HSK exam, into a step-by-step pathway that they can pursue at their own pace. But language is a human thing, and so technology can never replace a human teacher. But it should transform the interaction they have with their students to make that interaction more personal and less mechanical. The machine can enable students to acquire the language, but the teacher should help them to put it into use. We're delighted that the efficacy of our approach has been attested to by a number of experts, including Professor Hu Wen Hua from Fudan University.